What is up, y'all? We found a vehicle in the past, probably, I don't know, 4 to 6 months ago, but we never filmed it due to it being so far off the road. This one, we're gonna have to gear up and hike down it from a couple different angles, I'm guessing. I'll give you guys a look. And guys, we're off Jackrabbit Trail, in between the 60 and San Jacinto. The 60 freeway is that way. If you take this road all the way down, I believe you run into San Jacinto, but there's a vehicle down there, right there. To me, it looks like a Volkswagen. I could be wrong, but I'm sketched out about leaving my car up here. This is a super sketchy area. I want to fly the drone and all, but we're gonna have to be quick with it. We're gonna go down there with hiking poles, see what it is, and come back up, and then we'll probably fly the drone around and see what else we could see out here. I'm sure there's some hidden vehicles that we'll film another day, but I'm in a big rush after work super early tomorrow. If I could just film a quick video today, it would mean the world to me. So, like I said, I think I'm just gonna crawl up on this little hilltop and go down here, or go down through these bushes here. I'm not really sure. This looks like the easiest way up here. So let's see what happens. It's 3:55. I left my house at 3 o'clock sharp. So yes, we're gonna try to attempt this. And now I can go through here. Coming back up is gonna be kind of a nightmare. But it's gotta be done, guys. We have to film this. It's gotta be documented. Stay with me. One other thing, guys, I know where a lot of cars are, where there's just one, and I might be dropping a lot of videos in between weeks. Usually I post on the weekend, but sometimes I might just drop a video on a Wednesday or a Thursday, because it's a simple, quick video with only one vehicle. So you guys might start seeing a lot more of that, where it's just one car, quick and easy, 15 to 20 minutes, and we're in and out. And then you guys are gonna see some longer videos down the road. But like I said, this is gonna be a quick and easy video. All right, guys, we got everything we need: water, food, rope, safety supplies, an American flag, everything we need. Let's do this. All right, it's 4:01 in the afternoon. I want to be back up here in like literally 30 minutes. Everything goes correctly. God, please let my car still be there when we come back. I'm not sure if this is an animal trail or a dirt bike trail. It's kind of confusing. It's gonna be a nightmare coming up this. Kind of wondering if this is an actual car accident as well. This car might have been speeding in the past. Dang, this is steep. And it might have just flung over the side. I really don't know. I like to sit back and look and make sure there's no beehives. Guys, we might be coming a different way up as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be taking this way. It's really, really steep. I don't know if I'm gonna want to climb all this all the way up. Oh my God. Stay with me, y'all. What do you guys think? Is this an animal trail or a dirt bike trail? I think it's some type of animal trail because some of this area is fenced. I'm not sure if dirt bikes could get back in here. But I made it to a point where I want to stand back and just wait and look. And just from standing here, instead of going back that way, I might do this because it looks more gradual. I mean, the bushes are thicker, but I got so much protective gear on, I don't think it matters. I think we're good on that part. Yeah, it's a Volkswagen Bug. The good thing is I don't see no bees. We made it. Man, it's a long ways down. But there's a sharp turn right here where we hiked down. There's a bend right there. It could have gone over in the past. Like I said, this was actually a road a long, long time ago. Look, the bumpers are still here. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna do a tick check really quick. One thing while I sit here, what's tripping me out is the deck lids here and the trunk. That's crazy. And there's actually a license plate and the rear bumper and the front bumper is here as well. Look at this. Looks like somebody removed them and they were probably going to take them out of here and something happened. For our EZ600. No way. 2023 tags? How's that possible? Wait a minute. What? How's that even possible? Am I seeing things? May 23. There's no way that expired 2 years ago. That means this just went over recently? I'm not buying it. I am not buying it whatsoever. Crazy. I mean, hey guys, it's possible. It really is possible, I guess. Make sure there's no human remains in here. Does it look like a lot of people have hiked to this car? A lot of people don't travel these back roads like I do, so to come across something like this is kind of rare. But I mean, this car looks like it's been sitting here for 20, 25 years, and then we come across a registration sticker that's only 2 years expired. How's that even possible? I don't know. It's crazy. Unbelievable. There's actually some usable parts on here. All the stuff from the front end's probably still usable, but it's probably very cheap to buy now that everything's mass produced for Volkswagen. But even these bumpers, I mean, they're not that bent up. Look at them. It's got a little dimple right here, but you can still pound that out though. I mean, this bumper's pretty straight. This one's straight too, look at that. I mean, just hit it with some steel wool and you got some bumpers here. But I'm not in the business to buy and sell vehicle parts, so we're gonna leave it for the next guy. Pretty cool. At one time you could see this vehicle was blue. Let's see if there's a VIN in here. I know the VINs are usually, there's a VIN right there, actually. Holy cow. Hold on guys, I'm gonna clean that up and I'll get back to you. I wonder if somebody yanked the motor down here or they pushed this thing over, or if this is an actual accident. You just never know. I wonder if we could push this thing over. Let's see. There we go. Now we got a good view of it. Make sure there's no snakes down in here. All the dirt coming out of there. Crazy. Now we got a good view. There's some numbers here, which I don't know what it is. Then we got this here, which I already took a picture of, so I don't think we need that anymore. But hey guys, we filmed a cool, quick video. Simple and easy, guys, and then I'm off. I gotta go back home. I need a rest. I have to be up at 2 in the morning. So, we came, we saw. You know the rest of that sentence. Now we're gonna get out of here. I'll shut the video off there, guys. And maybe I'll fly the drone around a little bit. Reverse Rocket TV, guys, Southern California. Reporting to you live from Jackrabbit Trail.